How to import MP4 in Photoshop in 2025. So first of all, you have to open Photoshop, like launch the Adobe Photoshop application on your computer and then navigate to import, like go to the file menu and then select import and finally choose video frames to layers and select your MP4, like locate and select the MP4 file you wish to import. You can also drag and drop it, and after that you have to a preview window will appear and allowing you to choose the import range, frame rate and whether to create a frame animation. And then you have to confirm and import, like click on OK or import to begin the process of importing the video into Photoshop. And once imported, each video frame will be available as a separate layer or frame on the timeline. You can then edit individual frames, add effects or create animations. And after making your desired changes, navigate to the export menu and choose render video to save your edited video or animation. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.